welcome back to my channel. So today I'm playing with Phoebe. If it's a little bit crashy, it's just a game because there's lots of players.
Hello. And
Mm.
I am friendly sometimes, but sometimes I will die.
Look Phoebe.
Oh yes, thank you, yes.
And subscribe to Phoebe's channel. Subscribe to Phoebe's channel, which is Fun with Wolfies.
All caps, Wolfie with an IE on the end, all caps, spaces between each word. That's how I can explain it.
Okay, blue. I was on blue. I was just on blue.
Oh my god, so many people died.
Oh no. Okay, right. Pink. Oh my god.
You were right
no!
on it! Oh my god.
I was right next to pink, but I just missed it. I don't know why.
Oh. Wait, why is going blue, pink?
Because it's like a boy. Pink!
The boy move! Wait, what? Oh. I want to push this guy off.
Simon says blue!
Wait, why did it go?
Pink.
Wait,
Pink. Oh, never mind. Sorry guys if it's crashy, it's probably because lots of players are playing. Or is it because I'm probably getting smaller?
I'm too tiny. I'm good. Wait, where are you?
I'm right here. Oh, now I'm back. What happened to
what?
you? What happened to you? Oh my god.
It's not okay.
Your hair came off. You showed that you had a. You showed that you had a wig on all the time.
Yeah, I have a wig on. Yeah, my hair is not actually brown. My hair is between blonde and brown. So
I did it.
You blonde.
I did it.
Ew.
What?
We've got luck things.
Look, that girl has it too. Look, she had it too.
You're bald too. Oh my god, this piggy. Oh my god, run.
Oh no, Piggy. Go away.
Oh look. Haha. Look at me. I'm the ruler. Look, I've got strong muscles.
And I can run fast.
Okay, I love this one. I don't know why. But Piggy's still there?
No! I hate this. Okay, I'm gonna get that egg for anyone.
Okay, I want an egg. I see an egg. I see an egg. I have 4 eggs.
I got 89 eggs.
There's one right there. I'm gonna get it.
And I got 200, 200 coins. I got 91 now. These people are not even getting them, they're just standing.
Yeah, I am getting them. I'm just too lazy at this moment. What is happening? I stole your eggs.
No. Oh, what happened?
I need to get that egg over there.
I know. Then we just came into this. What was it?
I don't. I have claustrophobia. I don't want to be in there.
Oh look! Somebody beated you. Somebody beated you. Look! Somebody beated you.
That's a bacon hat.
I wanted to be up there.
I did anything. I just ate bacon. Is this someone called Cheesehead? Oh.
Okay, just jump on the button and hope it will go. Right?
Look, zoom out. Look what happens when you zoom out.
Zoom out. I know. When I zoom out, no, I died. It was like a cross. Oh, I hate this. I flipping hate this. Okay, I'm going to use my running sheen. I'm going to use my running sheen for this.
I got run over.
No, I got run over too.
Chloe will always be remembered for getting hit by a car. Phoebe will always be remembered for being stupid. Thank you.
That's the
I'm going
news.
to say our last name because that is rude. It's rude. Oh, who's getting their heads bopped? Oh, this guy is. Love the new head, whatever.
You like whatever. I don't care what I say. Well, this one you don't die, look.
No, you just don't die. You just go through everything.
Yeah, but they just try to trick you. Go for the egg.
I pressed the button. Look at me. I'm strong again.
Yes, I'm the first one to go on here.
Okay, Chloe, me and you are terrible at parkour, so good luck for us. Ah!
I am literally doing it. This girl's gonna beat me. I think. No! I was literally there.
You won in your heart, though.
I was before you. No, that's my egg.
It's a unicorn!
Flying unicorns.
Where's the dragon gone?
Okay, right.
Wait, what?
Okay, right. I hate this one. I flipping hate this one.
I'm usually really good at this one, but I don't think I will be because I'm a little late going.
Yes, I did it for once.
Yes, come on. Oh no, you'll die.
We haven't good luck.
There's a guy with the magic carpet.
What's happening? What's happening to me? I got the egg too. I got 99, so I'm gonna get 100.
I have 7 eggs. Oh my god.
I got 100. I got 100 eggs.
I want a dog. I would like these 2 dogs, please. Yes, how much? $2,000. I'll just hit the one or I'll kill them all.
Oh no! I was at the top 2. No, Phoebe, I'm gonna die.
Are you?
Yeah.
I made it to the top. Chloe, come on.
Oh yes, sir. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And subscribe to Phoebe. Bye.
Yay.
Bye.